Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. My name is Dinkar and I welcome you all in this session. I hope everybody is doing great, feeling healthy and fine. So today we are having a very special session on the LIvemint 50 most important MCQs. So I again welcome you all in this 6 p.m. session, and as you all know that we are right now bringing various marathon series session to all of you. So this is one of them, a marathon session on the press on the LIvemint, and we all know that in Oliveboard we are bringing out every Wednesday the LIvemint session to all of you. So in order to club all those things together, we have come up with the LIvemint special 50 MCQs to all of you so that in the coming examination you are remaining well versed with all the related question answer, and this series is especially related to the finance question, right? So most important 50 finance questions we will all be discussing over here, and you will be gaining very important knowledge over here. So before starting the session, I wanted to say all of you is that Oliveboard has created a Telegram link. Okay, the Telegram link is present in the descriptive box. That is the first link, is the Telegram link. If you can download that link, and Oliveboard is providing free resources for all these things. Free resources for current affair, free PPTs, whatever we are discussing. So this is for all of you. We are right now providing, because in the future we may not provide. So please take the opportunities to download those PPT as soon as possible. Just download the Telegram link and download the PPTs from there. Okay. So I was just before starting of the session, I just wanted to know how many people are there. They can just say hi, hello to me in the chat box so that I may know you are here in the session. Just if you can just wave off to me in the chat box, say some hi, hello, so that I may know you are here in the session. Okay, so that I can address you by your names. Fine. So I'll be doing one thing. I'll be starting off right away with the question itself. So this is RBI Grade B 2023 LIvemint 50 MCQs, especially related to finance. Okay, especially related to finance. 55, sorry, it is 5 like in that we will be discussing LIvemint 50 MCQs. And here is the first question. Recently, the SEBI has issued rules that credit rating agencies should follow the standardized the use of rating scale by them. Which of the following statement are true in regarding to these rules? Oh, hello, Nilesh. Welcome to the session. So, I think I just forgot to put the numbering over here. This is the first. This is the second. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. So we have Yash is here. We have Nilesh is here. Welcome to the session. So please tell me what is the answer of this question. So CRA will have to assign a rating outlook and disclosure the same in the press release. Rating watch positive implication, developing implication, and negative implication are the three standard descriptive that should be used. Then further, stable, positive, and negative are the standard descriptive to be used whenever the issuer or the securities places the rating outlook. So what is the answer for that? Only C, only B, only A, B, or only B, C, or all of the above? What is the answer for this question? I'll be just giving only 20 seconds, 30 seconds for all of you to answer this question, because we have to discuss 50 questions today. All 50 questions will be of finance, and we have opened a Telegram link especially to all of you. It is present in the descriptive box. You can just click on that Telegram link and you will be just going there, and you can download the PPTs and current affair news from there. Okay, so the answer of this question is 5. All of the above are correct. All the options above are correct. Yes, all of the options are correct. Now, for the correct statement, CRA have to assign rating outlook and disclose the same to the press release. Okay, yes, Jasmeet is here. Okay, Jasmeet, welcome to the session. I hope a lot of people are here. Then rating watch will be positive implication, developing implication, and negative implication that you have to show. Then you have to tell further stable, positive, and negative are the three various standard descriptors that are utilized to issue of security regarding the rating outlook. Right now, the second question. Recently, the central bank digital currency or digital rupee commenced its wholesale segment on a pilot basis. RBI has identified 9 banks for participation in the digital rupee wholesale pilot project. Which of the following bank is not one of this? Union Bank of India, Indian Bank, SDFC Bank, Bank of Baroda, or State Bank of India? What is the answer for that question? And whenever you are answering, just write the question number and then answer, please, because otherwise I may not be able to understand for which question you are answering. So write question number, or just write one, then your answer. Okay, the way Nilesh and Yash has done. So please utilize that format. Come on, and just tell me what is the answer for this question. Come on. Okay, Jasmeet is saying two, that is Indian Bank. Come on, everybody, and those people who have recently joined the session, they can like the session so that your attendance get registered. Fine. So the answer of this question is Indian Bank. Indian Bank is not one of those 9 banks for which central bank has provided the digital rupee under the wholesale segment. Okay, right now. Question, so here you can see central bank digital currency have been launched in the wholesale segment, right? So the main benefit of this is that it will reduce the transaction cost. At the same time, it will reduce the costing of printing of the currencies, right? So 9 banks have been identified. These are the 9 banks: State Bank, Bank of Baroda, UBI, Union Bank of India, SDFC, ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra, Yes Bank, IDFC First Bank, HSBC. In the starting, RBI has 4 banks to follow that, and in the later few months, other 5 banks will be utilizing that. Okay. Question number 3. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India Monetary Policy Committee held a separate meeting to deliberate on the draft a report to a government following the first ever instance of the panel failure to achieve the inflation target. Okay, according to the provision of the Act, the Monetary Policy Committee is deemed to have failed on its mandate if average consumer price index inflation remain out of dash tolerance band for dash successive quarters. Okay, those people who wanted to answer that question, please answer the question by writing first the question number and then answer. Okay, so I have a lot of people is here. Very good, very good. Please answer the question. What is the answer for that question? Nilesh is saying A. Okay, very good. Any people who wanted to answer? Okay, your time is up. I will just give you a 10 20 seconds I will give for answer the question. Okay, Yash has answered. Yeah, Stevens, Pooja. Very good. Let's see. Let's see the answer. The answer of this question is 1. The tolerance level is 2 to 6% and for 3 successive quarters. If the inflation is not under control for 3 successive quarters, then Monetary Policy Committee has to tell to the government what is happening. Okay, so Monetary Policy Committee is chaired by our Reserve Bank governor, that is Shashikant Das. Okay, so this is the first time any instant of panel failure is happening because our inflation is above 6% for 3 successive quarters, right? So now RBI has to give what is the reason for the failure and in how many months they are going to complete that. Okay, so 2 to 6% tolerance band is there and 3 successive quarter. If it is above 6% or if it is below 2% for 3 successive quarter, then RBI has to explain to the government what is happening. Okay, so yeah, and inflation failure, what is the reason behind inflation period, and at the same time you have to provide the timeline, like in how many days you are going to control the inflation, right? Now, question number 4. Recently, the SME leading startup FT Cash has received the license from the Reserve Bank of India to set up a non-banking financial company. Which of the following statement is true regarding NBFC? Okay, NBFC is a company registered under Companies Act. Deposit insurance facility and credit guarantee is available to NBFC. NBFC do not form part of the payment settlement system. So which of the option is correct? Come on, guys, everybody answer. Vishal, Pooja, Steven, Yash, Nilesh, Lijo. Come on. So here the question is based on like what is the options are correct regarding the NBFCs. Okay, for C, only C. Okay. So let's see the answer. So the answer of this question is 1, only A and C, because NBFCs are registered under Company Act, that is correct, and NBFC do not form the part in payment settlement system. And yes, And at the same time, deposit insurance facility is not available to NBFCs. Okay, deposit insurance facility is not available to the NBFCs, right? So if you see over here, FT Cash has recently got, so first of all, you should know FT Cash. FT Cash has recently got the NBFC license, right? And they are aiming that they will be disbursing 100 crore rupees in the financial year 23. Okay, they have got that, and RBI, FT Cash is headquartered at Mumbai, right? And the founder members are Sandeep Chandak, Deepak Kothari, and Vaibhav Lodha, right? And this is a very important thing. They are utilizing a algorithm. FT Cash is utilizing the algorithm, which is helpful in analyzing the credit worthiness of the and offer the unserved loan to MSME. Okay, so they have a different algorithm to analyze the credit worthiness of the people and organization. So if you see over here, NBFC is a company registers under the Companies Act of 1956. Okay, so they cannot accept demand deposit. They are not part of payment settlement system. Deposit insurance facility is not available. Okay, now question number 5. As the RBI norms mandate deactivation of the card that have been inactive for a set period of time, credit card issuers show significant erosion of their card base during the July-September quarter in April 2020. The RBI came out with a master direction on credit and debit card issue. It said if a credit card does not have been used for more than dash month, the process to close the card should be initiated after intimating the cardholder. 12 months, 9 months, 18 months, 6 months, or 24 months. Come on, fast, answer it. Come on, guys, answer it. What is an answer to this question? Nilesh is saying A, that is 12 months. Very good. I'll be waiting for other people to answer. Okay, is there anybody who wanted to answer the question? They can answer the question fast. Steven, 6 months. Very good. At least answer the question. At least answer it. So the answer of the question is 12 months. Okay, 12 months. 1 year. If the card is not active for 1 year, the proceeding for closure of the card will start. Right? So RBI have mandated that deactivation of the card inactive for 1 year. Okay, credit card issuer shows significant erosion of their card base value, right? So if more than 1 year, 12 months have been passed, so the proceeding for closing of the card should align. Okay, so after 12 months, you can send a notification that your card will be stopped within 30 days. If you wanted to make sure that the card should not get stopped, so you can just write to the card holder. Within 30 days you have to get reply from the card holder. If you are not getting reply from the card holder within 30 days, you can close the card. Okay, so subsequently information regarding closure of the card account has to be updated in the credit information company within a period of 30 days. Okay, now question number 6. Recently, December NSE index has launched one more index under the Nifty Bharat Bond Index series. With reference to Bharat Bond Index series, which of the following statements are correct? Each index in a series measure the performance of a portfolio of AAA rated bond. The Bharat Bond Index series is issued by the government-owned entities maturing a specific year. In December 2019, NSE Indicate launched the first two indices, Bharat Bond maturity in April 23 and April 2030. Which of the statements are correct? Nilesh, just wait for your concern. It will be sorted out. Just wait for your concern. Answer this. Those people who have recently joined, if they can please like the session so that your attendance can be marked. Okay, Nilesh is saying D, that is all the statements are correct. Stephen is saying 1, that is both A and B. Okay, I'll be seeing the answer now. The answer of this question is 4, that is all the statements are correct. Regarding the Nifty Bharat bond, all statements are correct. Okay, all the statements are correct. Yes, yes, right? Now, so what is the Bharat Bond Index? Bharat Bond Index is a target maturity date structure. They're having a target maturity date structure. Okay. So each index in this whole series, they measure the performance of the portfolio of triple A rated bonds. Okay, they will check like what are the triple A rated bonds are there that is issued by the government. Okay, and have a particular specific year of maturity. Okay, so the launch of the Bharat Bond ETF has opened up the target maturity. Okay, so it is expected that the overall asset size of this Bharat Bond will be coming out to be 1,30,000 crores. Okay, so there are first two indices. First two indices has been launched. First have a maturity in April 2023, and another one has a maturity in 2030. Right. So these will be maturing, and there are further two indices that will be there that will be maturing in April 25 after 2 years of this, and April 2031. Okay, so this you should know regarding the Bharat Bond. Question number 7. Urban cooperative banks have been categorized into 4 tier for regulatory purpose. Which of the following is correct? Tier 1, all unit UCB, salary earner UCB, and all other UCB having a deposit up to 100 crore. Tier 2 between 100 to 1000 crore. Tier 3 between 1000 to 10,000 crore. Tier 4 above 10,000 crore. Or all of the statements are correct. What is the answer for that? Regarding the urban cooperative banks, and this has been recently changed in December. ये December में ही change हुआ है. ठीक है, Nilesh is saying E, that is all of the things are correct. Fine. Okay, Jasmeet is saying 5. So let's see the answer. The answer of this question is 5. Okay, all the above statements are correct. Okay, yes, very good, Stephen, Jasmeet and Nilesh. Rohit, I will answer your question at the last. Okay, now, so here Reserve Bank on 1st December have categorized the urban cooperative banks under 4 categories based on the deposit size. Okay, based on the deposit in your bank. So 4 tier is there. One is up to 100 crore, that's tier 1. Between 100 crore to 1000 crore, tier 2. For 1000 crore to 10,000 crore, tier 3. And above 10,000 crore, it is tier 4. Okay. Now, question number 8. Recently, NPS Prosperity Planner has been launched for subscriber to calculate their retirement income, that is called annuity. As per the annuity option based on their existing contribution under NPS, which of the following statement is true about the National Pension Scheme? Okay, what is important regarding what is true about the National Pension Scheme? In India, the NPS is governed by the PFRDA under PFRDA Act. It is a voluntary structure contribution. NPS offer 2 types of account, tier 1 and tier 2. NPS provide low cost retirement planning, or all of them. What is the answer? 8th one. What is an answer for that? Okay, so let's see the answer. Nilesh is saying E, all of the above. So let's see the answer. The answer of the question is all of the above. Yes, all points are correct. Regarding the NPS Prosperity Planner, regarding National Pension Scheme, all are correct. All correct. Okay, all are correct. Yes, Jasmeet. Yes, very good. So, NPS Prosperity Planner. Recently, PFRDA has launched NPS Prosperity Planner. So, what is this Prosperity Planner? It is a calculator. ये एक calculator है. Okay, here you can have, what you can do over here is, just 1 minute guys, just 1 minute. Huh? So here this is a calculator, and please tell me whether you can listen to me properly or not. Just let me know whether you can listen to me properly or not. I think, can you listen to me properly? I am expecting that you can listen to me properly, right? Okay. Okay, all okay, fine, thank you. So this, thank you everyone, Harry, Nilesh and Stephen. So NPS Prosperity Planner is a calculator. So if you wanted to invest in NPS, so you can calculate like what is your age, so how much you have to invest, so you will get that kind of annuity, right? So this is the NPS Prosperity Plan. It is a calculator, right? So under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, it has been launched in order to people to calculate their annuity income. They can just sit at their home and you can calculate like how much I should invest today, that I will be getting this much annuity in the future as a retirement benefit. Okay. So NPS schemes comes under the PFRDA, right? So having a long return pension scheme, so it is a voluntary. First of all, it is a voluntary, and under the national pension scheme, you will be given PRAN means permanent retirement account number, and this permanent retirement account number will be maintained by what? Central Record Keeping Agency. Then NPS are offered under two accounts, tier 1 and tier 2 accounts are there, right? And it is available to Indian resident, right? And for holding your funds and your account, they will be charging a very minimal rate of 0.0009%. Okay, very minimal rate. Now question 9 to 10 is a paragraph. Please read the paragraph fast. Recently, SEBI granted its final approval for introducing social stock exchange as a separate segment on BSE. In December 2022, the National Stock Exchange of India received the in-principle approval from the Security Exchange Board of India to set up SSE as a separate segment. In July, the regulator notified rules for social stock exchange. The framework was created based on the suggestion of the working group and technical group that the regulator formed. Okay, so has everybody read the paragraph? Has everybody read the paragraph? After that, I will be going into the question. Okay, so I hope everybody might have read the paragraph. This is LIvemint. Very important questions, finance questions, very important. I hope so. Let's see questions. Question number 1. In context of the above passage, which of the following statement are true? Okay, true. NPO and for the profit, not for profit, and for profit social enterprises will social intent and impact as their primary goal will be eligible to participate in SSE. It was first proposed during the budget of fiscal year 2021-2022. It is intended to benefit the private and non-profit sector. Okay, so answer the question. Okay, come on guys, answer the question. It is related to social stock exchange. Social stock exchange, very new concept. Social stock exchange. What is the correct answer? Steven, Nilesh. 4B. Let's see. Let's see the answer of the question. The answer of this question is 2. Only A and C are correct. This is correct. And this is correct. Okay. Very good. So now question number, so under the social stock exchange, first of all, you should know under which budget speech it has been declared. It has been declared under budget of 2019 and 20. Okay. And Security Contract Regulation Act was invoked in order to open that as a new security that is called zero coupon, zero principal. Right. So not for profit and for profit social enterprises who are having any kind of social intent as their primary goal, they can participate in social stock exchange. Okay, they can participate in social stock exchange. Now question number 10, very important, based on the same paragraph. According to Security Exchange Board of India framework, minimum issue size of dash and a minimum application size of subscription of dash are currently required for social stock exchange. So how much is required if you wanted to have a minimum issue size, and what is the minimum subscription size that you have to have? 1.5 crore, 2.5 lakh, 1 crore, 2 lakh, 2 crore, 10 lakh, 5 crore, 7.5 lakh, 10 crore, 12.5 lakh. Okay. So let's see the answer. The answer of this question is 2. 1 crore is the minimum size issue you should have, and 2 lakh is the subscription. Okay, 10, it is 2. Okay, application size of subscription of 2 lakh and 1 crore minimum issue size. should be there. Very good. Now, not for profit and for the profit social enterprises are there. So here SEBI framework has given minimum issue size should be 1 crore and minimum application size should be 2 lakh. Okay. Now, 11th question. Recently, Reserve Bank of India has kick-started the pilot for its retail digital rupee on December 1, 2022 by issuing INR dash to 4 participant banks. State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, Yes Bank, and dash across Mumbai, Delhi, Bengaluru, and Bhubaneswar. So, how much RBI has released retail digital rupees, and which bank is missing over here? And which bank is missing over here? Come on, answer fast. Everybody, please answer. Jasmeet, Nilesh. Okay, so answer of this question is 5. 1.71 crore digital rupee has been launched, and IDFC First Bank should come over here. Okay, very good. So here you can see 1.71 crore to SBI and 3 other banks have been released. State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, Yes Bank, and IDFC First Bank. And other 4 participant banks are also there that will be also provided digital rupee in the future. Those are Bank of Baroda, Union Bank of India, SDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Okay, they will be joining soon. And this will be spread to Ahmedabad, Gangtok, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Indore, Kochi, Lucknow, Patna, and Shimla. Okay, so this is how it is going to spread on the pilot basis. Question number, and here the digital rupee will work on P2P, peer-to-peer, and peer-to-merchant basis. And this does not require any internet connection. You should have just a mobile wallet, and there will be a QR code. You can scan the QR code and the money will be transferred digitally from your wallet to the other person's wallet. Okay, like that. Okay, India is one of the country in which the digital rupee has started. Only 11 countries are there, those who have started the central bank digital currency, right? Now question number 13, 12 to 13 is again passage based. Recently, Security and Exchange Board of India has tweaked its SEBI regulation rules to buyback of the share by the companies. The SEBI board approved the proposal designed to improve the governance at market infrastructure institution, including stock exchange, clearing corporation, and depositor. These proposals are particularly significant in light of the past failure and controversy involving the National Stock Exchange and Multi-Commodity Exchange. These amendments aim to streamline the process of buyback, create a level playing field for investor, and promote the ease of doing business. What is an answer for that? First of all, I hope everybody has read the question. After that, I will be giving the question. Did everybody read? Did everybody read? I hope everybody has read. So let's see the question. In context of the amendment done in the SEBI Regulation 2018 rules on buyback of the share by companies, the SEBI has also increased the minimum utilization of the fund allocated for buyback through stock exchange to dash to dash. Come on. So the answer of the question is 2. Okay. 75% and 50%. Earlier it was 50%, now it is 75%. Very good, very good. So here, and the next question number 13 is on the same paragraph. Which of the following statement is not true regarding the SEBI regulation? Very good, Nilesh Stevens, very good. Which of the following statement is not true regarding the SEBI regulation 2018? SEBI will gradually eliminate share buyback by April 2023. SEBI will create separate window for the stock exchanges for buyback. That is 2. SEBI has also reduced the timeline for the completion of the buyback through the tender offer route by 14 days. What is an answer? So the answer of this question is 2. A and C. Yes, very good. A and C are not correct. Okay, A and C are not correct. Very good, everybody. So if you see over here, SEBI has amended their rules and regulation 2018 regarding the buyback of the share. Okay, so the buyback gradually will eliminate by April 2025. April 2025, and till then there will be a and till then there will be a separate window for buybacks. Okay, minimum utilization fund has been converted from 50 to 75%, and regulator buyback is tender offer at a route of 18 days. Okay, now question number 14. Recently, which of the following entities in India have received in principle authorization for the payment Reserve Bank of India to operate as a payment aggregator, subject to the guidelines on the regulation of the payment aggregator and payment gateway? Okay, as updated from time to time. Direct Pay, InstaMojo, BillDesk, Paymate, PayUbiz. Who has got? This is easy question. This is very easy question. Let's see the answer. The answer of the question is 4. Paymate. Paymate has got the license for payment aggregator. Payment aggregator. No, it is Paymate. It is Paymate. Okay, so Paymate received the principal authorization to operate as a payment aggregator, right? As per the RBI guidelines that is updated from time to time. So payment aggregator and payment gateway, everybody knows they have a very important role. Payment aggregator concept has been launched in March 2020, right? And the main there was a very important and strict regulation happens on the payment aggregator license. Okay, so more KYC norms, data storage requirement, everything will be checked. Then only you get the payment aggregator license, right? Now question number 15 to 18 are all regarding the paragraph. Now this is regarding the budget. The as announced in the Union Budget 22-23. The government of India, as a part of its overall market borrowing, will be issuing sovereign green bond for mobilizing resource for green infrastructure. The proceed will be deployed in dash sector project with the help in reducing the carbon intensity of the economy. Accordingly, it was notified in the half-yearly issuance calendar for marketable dated security for the second half of the fiscal year on September this that sovereign green bond for an aggregate amount of rupees 16,000 crore will be used. Okay, Government of India has since issued the sovereign green bond framework on the November 9, 2022. I hope everybody has read the paragraphs, right? So let's see. According to the auction calendar of the sovereign green bond, dash of the notified amount of sale will be reserved for retail investor and will be eligible for the repurchase transaction. 3%, 5%, 7%, 4%, 2%. So the answer of this question is 2%. Oh, sorry. Answer of this question is 5%. 5%. Very important. These are very important question, especially for your forthcoming RBI Grade B examination. Then, so here if you can see, the auction money will be utilized for public sector projects. Okay, so there will be two types of bond that will be maturing. One will be maturing in 5 years and one will be maturing in 10 years, right? So for that 4,000 crore each will be utilized in both auction, and auction calendar 5% of the money notified amount of the sale will be reserved for the repurchase transaction. Very good, everybody. Now, from the same paragraph, the second question. The above discussed sovereign green bond will be considered eligible investment for dash purpose. Cash reserve ratio, statutory liquidity ratio, marginal standing facility, 1 or 2 or 2 and 3. Sovereign green bond can be used for what purpose? Can be used for any of these purposes? Can it be used for any of these purposes? Okay, so let's see the answer. No, the answer of the question is 2. It can be only used as statutory liquidity ratio, because cash reserve ratio you have to keep in the form of a cash, right? But statutory liquidity ratio you can keep in the form of cash, gold or bond, right? So it is SLR. Now question number 17. With reference to this, Union Finance Ministry has committed a Green Finance Working Committee with a representative from the relevant ministry and chaired by who chair the Green Finance Working Committee? Who chairs Green Finance Working Committee, who will be checking the sovereign green bond? Chief Economic Advisor, Finance Minister, Governor of RBI, Deputy Governor of RBI, or none of the above? What happened, guys? Please answer fast. Okay, so let's see the answer. The answer of this question is 1. Chief Economic Advisor. Very good, everybody. Very good, everybody. Stephen, Nilesh, very good. I just expecting that everybody should also answer. Total 11 people are there, but they are not answering. Please answer it. Question number 18. Which of the following statement is are correct about sovereign green bond mentioned in the passage? The bond will be issued through uniform price auction. The RBI will sell two bonds maturing 5 years and 10 years. Okay, proceed from the auction will be deployed in public sector projects, help in reducing the carbon intensity. Sovereign green bond will be eligible for repurchase transaction and the condition mentioned in the repurchase option, okay, and amended from time to time, or all of the above. What is an answer? Okay, Jasmeet has answered. Very good. Nilesh has answered. Very good. So let's see the answer. Everybody is saying 5. Yes, obviously 5 is the answer. Very good. Stephen. Very good. Very good. Stephen, Nilesh, and Jasmeet. All of the options are correct because we have already discussed in the previous passage that these are all correct. Right? Issue method, uniform price auction, non-competitive bidding facility. Okay, the proceed will be utilized for public sector projects. Okay, eligibility for repurchase, yes, they are available, they are eligible for repurchase options. Okay, and these are will be sovereign green bond will be utilized for SLR purpose also. Sorry, got a bit of cold. For question number 19 to 22, again we have a paragraph. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India released their 26th Financial Stability Report. The report indicates the collective assessment of the subcommittee of the Financial Stability and Development Council on risk to financial stability and the resilience of the financial system. The report also discussed issues relating to the development and regulation of the financial sector. So, what is an answer to this question? This question. As per the above discussed report, the gross non-performing asset GNPA ratio has been gradually trending downward from 9.3 in September 2019 to 7-year low at in dash September. What is an answer? 4.5, 6.2, 5.04 or 6? Nilesh is saying C. 5%. Stephen 5%. Let's see. Yes, it is 5%. Very good. Now the next. So financial stability report. We know that our economy is facing a global headwinds, right? So recently the report has come in September 2022. No, sorry, it is regarding the capital position. Gross non-performing asset have shown a downward trend. Earlier it was 9.3, but now it is 5.0 in September 2022. Okay, so this non-performing asset have dropped to a 10-year low of 1.3%. That is a good thing. Now, question number 20 related with that. In this report, the RBI stress test Axis Bank resilience to exceptional but plausible stress events. Macro stress test cover dash and estimate the resilience of the commercial bank in response to the shock. So what is coming in the dash? What type of risk a cover? Interest rate risk, credit risk, liquidity risk, all of the above, or one in two? What is an answer to that question? Okay. Come on, guys, answer the question fast. We can see Nilesh D. Okay, all of the above. So let's see. Yeah, it is 4. All of the above. All of the above are the things that is used for checking the macro test. So there are various stress event happen. So what the macro test cover is, they cover interest rate risk, they cover credit risk, they cover liquidity risk. Okay, whenever the stress event occur, so we do a macro stress test to check whether the bank is resilient in order to absorb that shock or not. Okay, any kind of adverse situation is happening, whether the bank can bear the interest rate risk, whether the bank can bear the credit risk, whether the bank can bear the liquidity risk. Okay. Now, question number 21. In the above discussed report, RBI assessed capital ratio over dash year horizon under a baseline scenario and two adverse scenario, that is medium and severe. Okay, so what is the blank? In the above discussed report, RBI assess capital ratio over a dash year horizon. How many year horizon? Under the baseline scenario and two adverse scenario, that is medium and severe. So what is the range? How many years horizon they are checking the base? 1, 2 year, 1 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year. Okay, so let's see. The answer of this question is 2, 1 year. Okay, yes, it is. No, it is 1 year. 1 year horizon is there. Yes, no, Stephen, no, Nilesh, it is 1 year. Okay, now question number 22. Macro stress test shows that the bank are what? Well capitalized and capable of absorbing macro shocks, having an unhealthy financial balance sheet, which are decreasing the strength of the resilience of the financial stability system, showing no signs of revival in the investment, showing tight financial conditions. So what is the purpose of macro stress test? What it shows? What macro stress test shows? Answer. So the answer of this question is 1. It is 1. Yes. Yes, Jasmeet. Yes, Nilesh. The answer is 1. Very good. Very good. It checks that whether the bank can able to withstand the difficult condition, macroeconomic shocks. Okay. Now, yeah, we have already discussed the non-performing asset have come down to a 10-year low, that is 1.3%, right? Now, question number 23. Recently, Export Import Bank has raised $1 billion via a 10-year sustainability bond. Issues in the 144A registry as format under its environmental social governance framework. Which of these following statement is are not correct about the sustainability bond? Use of proceed bond funds projects with dedicated social benefit only. These bonds can be issued by companies, government and municipalities as well as asset and projects. They can be unsecured, backed by the credit worthiness of the corporate or government issuer, or secured with collateral on a specific asset. So what is an answer? Okay, we have Jasmeet and we have Nilesh who have answered the question. So let's see the answer. The answer of the question is 1. Only A. Only A. Use of proceed bond fund projects with dedicated social benefit only. Okay, this is not correct. Option A is not correct, right? So now C. Now C. Just 1 minute. Sustainability bond are issued where proceeds are used to finance or refinance the combination of green and social products. So they can be issued by companies, government, municipalities. Okay, right? So they should follow the sustainability bond guidelines, right? Based on the green bond principle and social bond principle. These are the two principles are there. They are unsecured. It is just based on the credit worthiness of someone. They are unsecured. No, nobody is giving you guarantee, but the guarantee is that they are credit worthiness. Based on the credit worthiness, they are being issued. So the main difference among green, social, and sustainability bond lies in their sustainable categories, like in which places they are going to allocate their fund. Okay. So now question number 24 to 25 is again having a paragraph. The Reserve Bank of India has released a discussion paper on revised framework for securitization of stress asset, which will lead to a creation of one more alternative for lender for resolving the loans. So it is aimed at developing development of a strong and robust securitization market in India while facilitating simpler securitization structure. The revision framework aligned the regulatory framework securitization of standard asset with the Basel guidelines that came into force in January 1, 2018. Okay, it is regarding the discussion paper. I hope everybody has read it, right? Now, question. The discussion paper broadly cover 9 relevant area of framework, including which of the following? Okay, which of the 9 relevant areas out of that they have written? Discussion paper broadly covers 9 relevant area of framework, including which of the following? Asset universe, asset eligibility, minimum risk retention, access to finance for resolution manage, or all of the above. Okay, so let's see the answer. The answer of the question is 5. So the 9 relevant areas are, yes, Nilesh, yes, Stephen. The 9 relevant area are asset universe, asset eligibility, minimum risk retention, regulatory framework, special purpose entity, resolution manager, access to finance, resolution manager, capital treatment, credit enhancement, and valuation. Okay, right? Now, question number 25 regarding the same. Under securitization of said asset framework, the role of dash is of paramount importance as they are directly responsible for resolution and recovery of the underlying stress pool. Special purpose entity, resolution manager, other stakeholders. So who are the important, who are the paramount importance under these? Special purpose entity, resolution manager, or other stakeholders? What is an answer to that? Okay, C. A and B were saying. Okay, Stephen is saying A and B, Nilesh is saying A and B. So Arjun is also saying A and B. So the answer of the question is A and B. Yes, these two are very, very important, paramount importance. Okay, so we have finished 25 question, 25 left. 25 left. Important. So shall we go? Say yes or no. Shall we go for the next 25 question? If you say yes, then only I will go. For the next 25 question. If you are saying yes, then only I will go. Okay. So people are saying yes. Fine, fine, fine. Yes, sir. Great. So I'll go. This is the paragraph question. Question is, recently November 2022 RBI of India has released dash. The publication has been prepared under the supervision and overall guidance of the Dr. Deva Prasad Rat, Principal Advisor, Department of Economic and Policy Research. Okay, so it seeks to provide comprehensive data about the regional economics of India. The report shows that during 21-22, all India retail inflation has remained above 6% more often than not. High prices, however, have not led to higher wages. There was a sharp divergence across the states. Okay, so everybody has said yes. Nilesh, Steven, Arjun, everybody. So I'm going. So I hope everybody has read the paragraph, right? So see the question number. Which of the following RBI publication has been mentioned in the passage? Which of the RBI publication has been mentioned in that passage? A report on trend and progress of banking, handbook of statistics or on Indian economy, handbook of statistics on Indian state, manual on financing and banking statistics, RBI annual report. Okay, Nilesh is saying B. Sorry, Tapan is saying A. So the answer is 3. Sorry, answer is 3. Handbook of Statistics on Indian State 21 and 22. Okay, the answer is 3. Handbook of Statistics on Indian State 21 and 22. Sorry guys, I just got a little bit of allergy, so bear with me little bit. Now, it is of year 21-22, Handbook of Statistics on Indian State, and is the 7th edition of that. Now, question number 27. According to the above publication, which of the following state topped in the daily wage rate of the worker? Kerala, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, or Karnataka? Which of the state has topped the daily wage rate for the workers? Okay, so let's see the answer. It is Kerala. So we have Kerala, Jammu, Kashmir, and Tamil Nadu, but in that Kerala has got the highest marks under that. Okay, right? And lowest paying states are Tripura and Madhya Pradesh. Right? Now, question number 28. According to the above mentioned publication, which of the following state has reported the highest gross fixed capital formation of over rupees 72,000 crore in financial year 20? Kerala, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, or Gujarat? While answering the question, just write the question number also, guys, please. Okay, so E, people are saying Gujarat. So let's see the answer. The answer of the question is Gujarat. Yes, Gujarat has got the highest fixed gross capital formation of 72,000 crore. After that, Maharashtra came second, and then Tamil Nadu has came third. Very good, Nikhil. Very good, Nilesh. The Executive Committee of the Central Board of State Bank of India has approved the proposal to raise up to rupees dash by issuing infrastructure bond in 2022-23 April March. 5,000 crore, 15,000 crore, 20,000 crore, 25,000 crore, or 10,000 crore. What is an answer? The Executive Committee of the Central Board of the State Bank of India has proposal to raise how much? By issuing infrastructure bond. Nilesh is saying E, that is 10,000 crore. So let's see the answer. The answer of the question is yes, it is 10,000 crore. 5. It is 10,000 crore. Yes, Steven, Nilesh, Arjun, it is 10,000 crore. Okay? Okay, dear, it is 10,000 crore. Right? Now, very good. Now, question number 30. Question number 30. Which of the following bank has launched e-bank guarantee facility in association with National E-Governance Service Limited? Bank of Maharashtra, Bank of India, Indian Bank, State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank. Which of the following bank has launched e-bank guarantee facility in association with the National E-Governance Services? Nilesh is saying D. Nilesh is saying D, that is State Bank. Okay. Come on, answer, guys, fast. Come on, fast, fast, fast. Everybody. Stephen, very good. SBI. Nilesh, SBI, very good. Jasmeet, SBI. Fine. Arjun, SBI. So, yes, it is SBI. SBI has launched the e-bank guarantee. Very good, Nikhil. Now, question number 31. Which insurance company has introduced the item price prime insurance plan with a special discount of rupees of 10% on the first year premium to cater to the demand of self-employed individual? SDFC Life, Aegon Life, Max Life, Kotak Life, Tata AIA. Okay, which insurance company has introduced the item prime insurance plan? Who has introduced the item insurance plan? Okay, so let's see the answer. The answer of this question is Aegon Life. Okay. Aegon Life has introduced the item prime insurance plan with a special discounts of 10% on first year premium they are giving. Okay, in the first year premium, they will be giving you 10% discount for catering to the demand of the self-employed people. Okay, so if you are self-employed, they will give you a 10% discount on the premium, right? To promote the life insurance in developing India. Okay, question number 32. The Reserve Bank of India has directed Dash to end all transaction under the liberalized remittance scheme until further notice. ICICI Bank, RBL Bank, Yes Bank, SBM Bank, IDFC First Bank. The Reserve Bank of India has directed to end all transaction under the liberalized remittance scheme for further notice. Okay, Nilesh is saying D. That is SBM Bank, SBM. Okay. Okay, Steven is saying SBM. I can see. Very good, very good. चलिए चल बहुत अच्छा बहुत बढ़िया सब लोग. Arjun very good. Arjun very good. Steven very good. Nilesh very nice. So let's see the answer. It is SBM Bank. Okay, SBM Bank has been directed to end all the transaction under the liberalized remittance scheme, right? So the bank regulator, that is RBI, has given the direction for material supervision concerns. Okay, so SBM Bank is headquartered at Mumbai in Maharashtra. Question number 33. Which of the following bank has announced the launch of stack for companies in real estate sector to offer solution to their banking requirement on one platform? Bank of India, Axis Bank, State Bank of India, SDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. What is an answer? Come on. Which of the following bank has announced the launch of stake for companies in real estate sector? Steven is saying ICICI. Very good. Nilesh is saying D. That is SDFC. Arjun is saying ICICI. So I'll be saying the answer. The answer of the question is ICICI Bank. It is ICICI Bank has launched a stake for companies in the real estate sector. Okay. So it is a combination of digital and physical solution. Okay, for retail, builder, real estate investment trust, alternate investment fund. Okay, so all this. Question number 34. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India has allowed Dash and Dash to open the special Vostro account for trade in rupees with Russia. Okay, right now Russia-Ukraine war is going on, right? So Russia is asking to buy the oil in Indian rupees, right? So recently, Reserve Bank of India has allowed Dash and Dash to open a special Vostro account to trade with Russia in rupees. SDFC Canada, SBI Indian, ICICI Bank of Baroda, Yes Bank Indian Bank, IDFC First Bank or ICICI Bank. Come on. Nilesh is saying D. Come on, fast, fast, everybody. Come on, everybody, be fast. Okay, Arjun is saying D. That is fourth option. Very good. Okay, so the answer of the question is 1. SDFC Bank and Canara Bank. They will be opening Vostro account to trade with Russia in rupees. Okay, it is first SDFC Bank and Canara Bank. See here, SDFC Bank and Canara Bank will be opening Vostro account for trade in rupees. So what is Vostro account? It is the bank that holds on behalf of another, often the foreign banks, to have a banking transaction between them. Okay, so till now 5 Indian banks have received the regulatory clearance for rupee trade till now. Okay, okay, so this is the answer. Now recently Checkbook has joined hand with which of the following payment bank to launch the zero balance digital current account for small business owner? ESAF Small Finance Bank. Come on, answer. Come on, answer it. 35. Recently, checkbook has joined hand with what? Arjun is saying NSDL. Nitesh Singh saying NSDL. Okay. Jasmeet is saying 4, that is NSDL. So let's see the answer. The answer of the question is 4, NSDL Payment Bank. Very good. Very good. Okay. So Neobank Check partners have partnered with NSDL Payment Bank to launch the zero balance digital account. Okay. So NSDL Bank has commenced its operation on October 2018 for providing simple banking services, right? So only this much you should know here. Question number 36. Cabinet approves the incentive scheme for promotion of RuPay debit card and low value Bhim UPI transaction with an outlay of dash 2000 crore, 1600 crore, 2600 crore, 3600 crore. रुपए डेबिट कार्ड को प्रमोट करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट कितने रुपए इंसेंटिव में लगा रही है? Arjun is saying 2600 crore, Nilesh is saying 2600 crores. Okay. Keep answering, guys. Keep answering. You all have to answer. Come on, answer the question. Lot of questions are there. Every day you are getting some 100 questions, 50 questions. Every day marathon series is going on for each and everything. Marathon series. Okay. So Steven is saying 2600 crores. Jasmeet is saying C. Very nice. The answer is C only. Very good. 2600 crores. Right. So if you see over here, first of all, before going to the next question, guys, in the descriptive box, we have given you a Telegram link. The Telegram link, if you join, you will get free current affair notes, free PPTs. These PPTs which I am taking, you will be getting these PPTs free over there. Okay. You will be getting free over there. So if you join this Telegram group, you will be daily getting this PPT. You will be daily getting the current affairs. So descriptive box, there is a link. You can click on that and join that. Okay. Now question number 37. Consider the following statement regarding offer for sale share. SEBI has now allowed non-promoter shareholder to sell their equity share in a company through OFS. OFS mechanism shall also be available to companies with market capitalization of 1000 crore and above. So which of the following statement are correct regarding offer for sale? Okay, so Nilesh is saying C, that is both are correct. Arjun is saying only one. Okay, with this question, I also wanted to know, are you enjoying? Everybody will write Y or N. Okay, either write Y or N, whether you are enjoying or not. Y or N. And not. Okay, Nilesh is saying both, Jasmeet is saying both. So the answer of this question is C. Yes, both. Both are correct. Both are correct. Both statements are correct. Very good. Question. So here if you can see, non-promoter shareholder will be selling their equity for offer for sale. Okay. So the company, so this OFS mechanism will be available for companies with market capitalization of rupees 1000 crore and above. Right. So this OFS facility will be available on BSE, NSE and Metropolitan Stock Exchange. Okay. So meet the minimum public shareholding for the regulators. Right. Next question. Read the question. RBI opened the sandbox to dash entity to test the anti-fraud solution. How many sandbox RBI opened? 6, 9, 5 or 4? How many sandbox? B, that is 9. Okay. RBI has opened 9 sandbox. Jatmeet is saying 5. Steven is saying 6. Okay. So the answer of the question is A. 6 sandbox entity have been opened by the RBI. So 6 firms have been selected to test the anti-fraud solution. So they will be working as a sandbox. Okay, so these are Bhavan, Cybertech, Redwatch, Informatech, Enertech, HSBC, Test. These are all there that will be checking the anti-fraud solution. So regulatory sandbox is a place where the startups are allowed to work under the little loose form, okay, so that they can do their testing at a field test without worrying about any kind of regulations. Okay, so they check over there with minimum amount of data, and once they are okay with that, they will release to the whole of the people. Now, RBI launches Utkarsh 2.0 for a period of dash 2023, 23, 30, 23, 25, 23, 27, 23, 26. RBI launches Utkarsh 2.0 for a period of dash. Okay, so let's see the answer. The answer of the question is B, 23 and 25. So it has been extended now. Yeah, it has been extended. Right? Very good, Nilesh, Arjun, Stevens. So Utkarsh 2.0. First framework was there for 2019 and 22. Now it has been for 23 to 25. Okay. So the 6 vision that has been there under the Utkarsh are excellence in performance in statutory function, strengthen the trust of the citizen, for relevant significance of the national and global roles, transparent, accountable, and ethics driven, best class environment, and skilled human resources are the 6 important vision of the Utkarsh. Right? Question number 40. Atal Pension Yojana subscribers count have crossed dash mark as per the PFRDA. 1 crore, 3 crore, 4 crore, 5 crore. Recently, Atal Pension Yojana subscriber has crossed that as marked by the PFRDA. Atal Pension Yojana subscriber count has crossed dash mark as per PFRDA. Arjun is saying 5 crore. Nilesh is saying 3 crore. Jasmeet is saying 1 crore. Okay, Stephen is saying 5 crore. So the answer is D, that is 5 crore. 5 crore subscriber are there for Atal Pension Yojana. Okay, 5 crores. Very good. So Atal Pension Yojana is a very important Yojana regarding the pension of the people. Here, 9th May 2015 has been launched for providing the old age income security to the citizen of India, right? So under that, the collected amount under the scheme will be managed by the PFRDA. Okay, it will be managed by the PFRDA, right? Now, Indian first sovereign green bond issue raises debt crore bid from the investor. India's first sovereign green bond has issue raised dash crore bid from the investors. How much? Arjun is saying 8,000 crore. Nilesh is saying D. Okay. Jasmeet is saying D. Stephen is saying 8,000 crore. So let's see the answer. The answer is 8,000 crore. Very good. Very good. Now question. So here if you can see, Reserve Bank of India have sold 4,000 crore 5-year bond and 4,000 crore 10-year bond. Okay, so for 4,000 crore 5-year bond, they are providing 7.10 interest rate, and for 4,000 crore 10-year bond, they are providing 7.29% interest rate. Okay, this is their proof. Now, the non-resident can invest in sovereign green bond under fully accessible route, automatic route, government route, or not applicable. So, non-resident can invest in sovereign green bond under what? Fully accessible route, automatic route, government route, or not applicable? Automatic. Arjun is saying automatic. Okay. Nilesh is saying A, fully accessible route. Okay. So let's see the answer. The answer of the question is A, fully accessible route. Fully accessible route. Fully accessible route. Okay. Now, question number. So here if you can see, fully accessible route is utilized. Non-resident now can utilize the fully accessible route to invest in the sovereign green bonds. Okay, they will be utilizing the uniform price auctions. Okay, and 5% of that notified amount will be reserved for the retail investors. Okay, so they can be a trade in the secondary market, and this sovereign green bond are eligible for the SLR purposes also, right? So what is the meaning of fully accessible route? So there are various ways from which central government opens the pathway for the foreign investor to invest in India. Okay, so non-resident investor without any restriction, now they can invest in the sovereign green bond. Okay, so now central bank have added the sovereign green bond into the list too. Without any restriction, the non-resident can invest in that. Okay, question number 43. As per the RBI bulletin, India will remain a dash largest economy in the world in 2023, fifth, fourth, sixth, or third. As per the RBI bulletin, India will remain dash largest economy in the world in 2023, fifth largest, fourth largest, sixth largest, or third largest. Nilesh is saying A, Jasmeet is saying A, Arjun is saying A. So this is fifth largest. Very good. Very good. Fifth largest. Okay. So as per that, India, as per the Reserve Bank of India bulletin, India will remain the fifth largest economy in the world. Okay. So Amit Kumar Pandey is also here. I think the first question has been answered by Amit Kumar Pandey. Very good. Welcome to the session. So it is said that by in year 2023, India will reach $3.7 trillion economy, right? And yeah, we have to bring our inflation under the price band that is below 6%. And yeah, we are in a process of getting that. Now, question number 44. Dash rolls out first ever audit standards on sustainability information. Dash has rolled out the first ever audit standard on sustainability information, ICAI, NFRA, RBI, FSDC. So we have Krishan Deshwaraya Swami. So we have a lot of people now answering. So please answer the guys. And please make sure that whatever the questions are being asked over here, you should know all these questions because these are very, very relevant for your examination. Very, very relevant. Okay. Steven is saying RBI, Aman is saying RBI, Arjun is saying RBI. The answer is ICAI. It is ICAI has rolled out the first ever audit standard on sustainability information. Okay, it is ICAI. What is ICAI? ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant and India, has rolled out first ever audit standards. Okay, you know, Chartered Institute of Chartered Accountant in India, ICAI, has launched first ever audit standards. Okay, so they are now CA Institute now constitutes 16 social audit standards. Okay, so they can be hunger, poverty, malnutrition, inequality, healthcare, education, gender equality, environmental sustainability. All these things are there. So 16 social audit standards are there. They will be registered with the Institute of Social Audit of India. Okay. Question number 45. Vivad se Vishwas, a scheme announced in the budget speech, is related to which ministry? Ministry of MSME, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Commerce and Industries, Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. Vivad se Vishwas. Vivad se Vishwas. 45 question. 45th question. What is an answer? Vivad se Vishwas. Nilesh is saying A, MSME. Hello Aryan, welcome to the session. So let's see, Stephen is saying MSME. Very good. So the answer of this question is MSME industries. Recently in the budget, MSME industries Vivad se Vishwas scheme has been announced, right? So you see here, to big relief to the COVID-19 during the COVID-19 period, so government has launched the Vivad se Vishwas has been launched. Okay, so asked to refund performance security, bid security, and liquidity damage that has been done. You do the dialogue and you get the confidence of that. Okay, for COVID-19 period. Question number 46. The disinvestment target for current financial year was lowered from dash to dash. 75,000 crore it was earlier to 50,000 crore. 61,000 crore it was earlier to 50,000 crore. 80,000 crore it was earlier to 65,000 crore. 90,000 crore is earlier to 71,000 crore. What is an answer? Arjun is saying C. 80 to 65. Okay, waiting. I am waiting for your answer. Steven, PB, that is 65 to 50. Okay, Arjun is saying B. Very good. Nilesh is saying B. So let's see the answer. Yes, the answer is B. Earlier we have set the target of 60,000 crore, but now we have reduced it to 15,000 crore, right? So the problem is that we have till now realized only 31,000 crore. Okay. So after revision of the target also, still we have just got 31,000 crore, and that is earlier it was 65, then we have came into 50. So this year we have to realize up to 50,000 crore, but till now we have achieved only 31,000 crore. Okay. So gap is there. Question number 47. Which of the following is not a potential case for CBDC? Facilities cross-border payment, providing an alternative to physical cash, reducing tax evasion, or enable anonymous transaction. Okay, so I can see over here the answer is already there, so I'm sorry. So you can see that 47, the answer is already there. So I have written just to make your brain a little bit down. So I have given the answer beforehand. It is D only. Okay, please read the question. Which of the following is not a potential use case of CBDC? So this is not a potential case. So CBDC are unlikely to enable anonymous transaction because central bank will be asking for some kind of identification. In the Bitcoin you can do, but in the central bank digital currency there cannot be an anonymous transaction. You have to identify yourself. Okay. Now question number 48. During April-December of this financial year, foreign direct investment into India declined by 15% to US dollar 36.75 billion. Which of the mentioned countries was the largest investor in our country? Japan, Hong Kong, USA, or Singapore? Which of the country was the largest? Arjun is saying Singapore. Okay. Nilesh is saying D, Singapore. Steven is saying Singapore. So let's see the answer. The answer of the question is Singapore. Yes, it is Singapore. With the investment of 13 billion FDI. Very good, Sumitra. Very late you have joined. Last two questions are left. What is the fixed interest rate of Mahila Samman Bachat Patra announced recently in the budget? Fixed interest rate of Mahila Samman Bachat Patra क्या है? 7.5%, 8.5%, 6.5%, 8.0%. How much fixed interest rate on Mahila Samman Bachat Patra? Nilesh is saying A. Arjun is saying 7.5, 7.5, Steven 70.5. Let's see. Yes, it is 7.5%. Okay, so this Mahila Samman Bachat Patra you can get for a period of 2 years from 2023 to 2025, right? So you can deposit up to rupees 2 lakh. Up to rupees 2 lakh you can put, right? So at the last question, everybody is answering. Amar, Aman, Suhas, Priya, welcome to the session. Okay. Now, last question for today. As per RBI guideline, what is the minimum net own fund required for NBFC to issue credit card? Like if NBFC wanted to issue the credit card, how much net own fund they should have? How much? And those people who have joined right now, they can, if it is possible, they can like the session to register their attendance. Nilesh is saying B, that is 50 crore. Okay. Steven 100, Arjun 100. So let's see the answer. The answer of this question is C. 100 crore. 100 crore. So for non-banking financial company, if they wanted to issue the credit card, they should have a net own fund of rupees 100 crore for doing any kind of credit card business. Okay. And if there is any financially sound scheduled urban cooperative banks are there, they should have a net worth of rupees 100 crore. Okay. And which are following all the core banking solution. Also, they can release the credit card, but they have some kind of condition on them. Okay. So guys, this is all for today. This is all for today. And it was a really great session with all of you. Thank you for joining the session. And today I will be taking the RBI basic concept series at 9 p.m. in YouTube. So I'm expecting that if you all can join the session, you will be really very happy to understand the very basic concept of for the RBI. Okay, so today I will be taking the financial market. Thank you so much, Nilesh. Thank you so much, Nilesh, and all of the people. Because this basic concept series I have especially started so that those people who are just now joining and wanted to give any kind of banking examination, for those people, we have this space basic concept series. Okay, so please do join at 9 p.m. with me. Thank you, Nilesh. Thank you so much, Arjun. Thank you so much, Steven. And I really appreciate the way you all have sat together with me, and our major effort was that we should provide you with quality question. Okay, in the starting the questions were very heavy, and it has been gone little bit down like that, because at the end of the session I have to keep some little question so that you should not have that kind of heaviness in your brain. Okay, so in the starting only I have asked all the heavy questions, right? So regarding the telegram link, we have a telegram link that we have given at the descriptive box. Okay, so go there and download the telegram from there. That link is there, so you will be able to download all the ppts from there. Okay, you will be able to download all the ppts from there, and every day current affair news will be also coming over there. Okay, so guys, if you are really happy with this session, please provide me some of the comment in the comment box when the session gets over. So I'll be seeing you in the next class at 9 p.m. Bye bye, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye.